Assalamu alaikum students. I welcome you all in Al Mawahib British Private School in Science Department. I hope you all are doing good. Grade 2 BA, 2 BB, 2 GA and 2 GB. The day today is Sunday and date is 3rd May 2020. Unit 6 Forces. The topic is what are the effects of forces. I want you to be ready with your pupils book page number 130 and 131. Activity book page number 76 and 77. So let's start. The topic which we are going to do today is what are the effects of forces, how the forces affect, and the objectives. Students are able to find out how a force can make a thing move or stop moving. And you're going to learn in this about how a force can make a thing go faster or slower or changes its direction. When you apply the different force, we already done, right? Push and pull. So when we apply different force, what happened? What are the effect of the force on that? And the students are able to learn how a force can affect the shape of a thing. How a force, if we apply, it will change the shape of a particular thing. Now it's time to recap what you have learned. What we have learned last time, a force is a push or a pull. We can define force in a two-way, whether it's a push or a pull. And many actions in daily life such as squeezing the toothpaste, flushing a toilet, putting on a socks and lifting a school bag involve forces. As we do when in the morning when we get up, you people are also doing, right? When you're getting up from your, when you're waking up, the different actions which you do in your life. So it involves some pushing, some pulling. When we are squeezing the toothpaste, what is that? Is push. When we are flushing a toilet, what is that? That is also a push. And when we are putting on a socks, what is that? It's a pull. And when we lift a school bag, which force it involves? It's pull. Very good. Now students, ready with your pupils book and open page number 130 and write the date on the top. The date today is 3rd May 2020. Pause the video and write the date on the top and open page number 113 pupils book. We will be doing today what are the effects of forces. When we'll put we will push it more or we will put it harder, what will happen? What will be the effect of that force? So we are going to learn in this, okay? So students, how the force will affect? Forces can affect the movement and shape of things. As you can see in the picture, change in position of hockey ball. When the girl is, hitting the ball, what you can see? A very little force she applied, the ball move, right? As you can see the ball, the shape of a ball before the girl was pressing it, it was in a round shape. So when she was pressing with the both hands, what happened? The shape of a ball changes. From the round, it become oval, right? So forces can affect the movement and shape of things. Start moving, make a moving things go faster, or it will be a slower down. If you will put a little force, it will be moving slow. If you will put more force, it will be faster. It will go fast. Okay, I hope everyone opens the pupils book page number 130, right? Yes. So who will read? Okay, yes, yeah, I know you can read. Yes, what is written there? What happened when we push a car? As you can see in the picture, you can pause the video, right? And you can see the video also, and you can see just in your book also what is written there. What happened when we push a car? When we push a car, the car will start moving. If we push it harder, it will go faster. So forces can make things start moving. They can also make moving things go faster. So what you have learned from this, if we push anything in a slow, it will be move little. When we apply more force, when we apply more, push it harder, it will go faster. So what the forces can do, forces can make things start moving, and they can make also moving things go faster. I hope you understood, right? The same page, I just now I told you, when the lady was pushing the car, what happened when she was applying the force. When she applied a little force, so the car was moving slow. If you apply more force with harder, so it will go faster. So you can see in the second picture what happens when we hold back a moving shopping cart. I think all of you have done, right? When you are going, before, when you are going the mall. Right now nobody is going outside. You have to stay at home and stay safe. That's very important for everyone. But before, when you are going, in a shopping mall or somewhere, in a hypermarket, to buy some things, you people love, students, small kids, they love to take the trolley, right? So what happens when we hold back, when we hold back moving shopping cart. So when we hold back a moving cart, it slows down and then stops. When you hold it, and it will slow down and then it stops. So forces can make moving things slow down and stop. So when we apply more force, it's not every time it will move. If we want to stop something, we will put it towards ourselves, and we can stop it also. So we apply the force. What we are applying? We are applying the force on it. So forces can make moving things slow down and stop also. Okay, pupils book, page number 131. The third picture, it's about what happened when we hit a moving baseball. When the ball is coming towards you and when you are hitting it hard, what happened? What will happen? Anybody can guess what will happen? As I told you that forces can affect the movement and shape of a things. So what will happen? Yes, the direction of a baseball will change. Yes, very good, grade 2. Well done, keep it up. So what happened when we hit a moving baseball? When we hit a moving baseball, it changes the direction. So forces can change the direction of a moving things. Anybody can give me any other example? This is a baseball. In this school, when we are on the school, in the break time, you play football, right? Yes, especially the boys, right? Yes. So what happened when you play the football? When somebody is passing the football, when you're moving it, when you're putting it hard, what happens? It change the directions. Yes. So when we hit a moving baseball or a football, so it will change the direction. So forces can also change the direction of a moving things. Very good, keep it up, grade 2. Okay students, same page 131, the last picture. What you can see, what happens when we press a piece of dough. So what happened? When we press a piece of dough, it changes the shape. So when we apply a force on a dough, it changes the shape of things. Okay students, I hope you understood. So grade 2, boys and girls, what you understood? What are the effect of forces? Forces can affect things in 3 ways. Who will tell me? Yes, I can hear. Yes, tell me. Can you name them? What are the effect of forces? What are the 3 ways the force can affect? Yes, tell me. Yeah, it can change the shape. Very good. So a force can change the shape of an object. As you can see in the picture, the boy is blowing the balloon. So what happened? The shape of a balloon changes, right? Yes, very good, grade 2. And who will tell me the second one? Anyone? Yes, tell me. The speed, yes. Speed means it will be maybe faster or slower, right? So, very good, grade 2. Effect 2, a force can change the speed of an object making it faster or slower. As you can see in the picture, right? Yeah, the boy is, driving the bicycle, right? He was riding the bicycle. So what you can see, when we will put more force, the bicycle will be move fast. Yes, very good, grade 2. And what is the third force? You told me about shape. Very good, grade 2. Speed. And the third force, what is that? Yes, tell me. Yes, it's direction. Very good. A direction of a object will change. A force can change the direction of an object. As you can see in the picture, they are playing table tennis, right? So, when they are hitting the ball, what will happen? The direction of a ball will change. Very good, grade 2. Alhamdulillah, mashallah, it means you understood, right? Keep it up. Yes. So, effect of forces. Forces can affect things in 3 ways. Effect 1, a force can change the shape of an object. Effect 2, a force can change the speed of an object, making it faster or slower. And effect 3, a force can change the direction of an object. As you can see, 3 different pictures, the shape of a balloon changes when the boy is riding this bicycle. You can see it will be, he can, make it slower or faster with the applying the force. And the third picture, they are playing the table tennis. The ball, the direction of a ball, according to the force they will apply, it will change. I hope you all understood, right? Okay, students, I hope you understood the effect of force. So, ready with your activity book and open page number 76. Okay, pause the video and write the date on the top. What is the date today? 3rd May 2020. Okay, pause the video and everyone open your activity book, page number 76. Very good. What is written there? Who will going to read this? Yes, you can read. Yes, what is written there? Complete the table identifying forces in daily life. As I told you, sometime you put on the socks, you brush your teeth, you squeeze the tube, or you lift your bag. So different forces we apply in our daily life. So what is the aim? To identify whether forces are pushes or pulls, or to state the effect of the forces. So you can see the table there. A lady is lugging a suitcase and a man is taking a book from a shelf. So what you have to write in the second table, is the force involved a push or a pull? The lady is taking the suitcase. So which force it is? It is a push or a pull? And what is the effect of the force? How the force effect on it? Okay. So when you're taking out a book from a shelf, which force you are applying? It is a push or a pull? And what is the effect of the force? I know you can tell me, you can give me, because you understood, right? Which force are pull and which force are push. So your countdown starts now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Now it's time to check your answer. So what is the first action? Lugging a suitcase is a push or a pull? Yes, grade 2. It's a pull. Yes, well done. Means you understood. Yes, because the lady is moving the suitcase, right? So it's a pull. And what is the effect of the force? It makes the suitcase move. When she's carrying the suitcase, what happens? The suitcase is moving, right? Yes, well done. So the effect of a force is it makes the suitcase move. And what about the second picture? Taking a book from the shelf is a pull or a push? I don't know. I'm confused. Is a push or a pull? Yes, it is a pull because you're taking out the book, right? So what is the force? It makes the book move. You're moving what? Because you're taking out the book from the shelf, so the object is what? Book, and it's moving, right? So it makes the book move. Well done, grade 2. Great job. Keep it up. Yes, boys and grade of grade in 2, boys and girls. Well done. Keep it up. Keep it up, grade 2. Okay, on the next activity book, page number 77. We have done page number 76. I hope you pause the video and write the answer. Those who have not finished, no problem. You can just pause the video of that answer one and you can write down, okay? And write the date, okay? Don't forget, write the date. What is the date? 3rd May 2020, okay? Grade 2, boys and girls. So what is the third picture? What action is there? You can see pressing down on the end of a moving skateboard. I think most of you have skateboard, right? So what, when you're pressing down on the end of a moving skateboard, what will happen? Which force you are applying? It's a push or a pull. And what is the effect of the force? You have to write the effect of the force. As you see, we've written, in the first two pictures, when the lady is moving the suitcase. So what is the effect? The suitcase is moving. When a man is taking a book from the shelf, so the move of a book is a force, right? And both are what? It's a pull, right? So in this, it's a push or a pull. And the fourth picture is kicking a saucer ball in the direction it is moving. So it's a push or a pull. And the fifth picture, pressing the keys of a keyboard. When you press the keys on the keyboard, on your laptop or a desktop, when you're pressing the keys on a keyboard, what you apply a which force? Push or pull. And when you're hitting a table tennis ball, it's a push or a pull. And what is the effect of the force? Where the effect of the force is, okay? I hope you understood. I already explained you, so you have to tell me. I don't know whether it's a push or a pull. So you have to help me out, okay? Grade 2, boys and girls. Mashallah, you all are very smart. I know most of you know the answer, right? So on the next slide, when I will show you the answer, I want most of you will finish, right? And you will give me the right answer. Yes or no? Yes, grade 2. Now it's time to check. Yes, I can hear you finish. Yes. What is the third picture? Which force it's involved? Yeah, push. Very good. Because you're stopping the skateboard. Yes, well done. It's a push. And what is the effect of the force? It slows down or stops the skateboard. Very good. When you will put a push, so what will happen? It will slow down or stop the skateboard. Well done, grade 2. And what about the fourth picture? Yeah, it's also a push. When you're kicking a saucer ball in the direction it's moving, you're putting a which force? Push. And what is the effect of the force? It makes a saucer ball move faster. Yes, when we apply the force, push more, so the saucer ball will move faster. Yes, well done, grade 2. And fifth picture is a push. When you press the key on the keyboard, it's a push. Which force you apply? Push. And what is the effect of the force? Yes, it makes the keys of the keyboard move, because when you're pushing it, the keys of the keyboard will move. Yes. And what is the last picture? Hitting a table tennis ball. When you're hitting a table tennis ball, which force you apply? Push. Very good. What will happen? It will change the direction of the table tennis ball. Yes, if you will hit it harder, it will change the direction of a table tennis ball. Very good, grade 2. Keep it up. Well done. Great job. Great job. Yes. Okay. You can pause the video and write the answer. Those who have done, very good, great job. Give yourself a smiley face. Okay, well done, grade 2. Okay, for everyone, well done. Those who have finished the table, well done, grade 2. Well done, keep it the good work. Well done, grade 2. Keep up the good work. Okay, you can make this star on your activity book. Now it's time to say goodbye. I don't want, but I have to go. And see you soon in the next science session. I hope you all enjoyed. And thank you so much. Stay at home and stay safe. Goodbye, students.